All right, so if you've ever dreamed of building an audience online but just felt completely stuck on where to even begin, this one's for you. We're going to break down the entire roadmap to take you from 0 followers to a real, thriving community.
Sound familiar? You see everyone making an income on social media, you've got the ideas buzzing in your head, but the second you sit down to actually do it, boom, it's just so overwhelming. Like, where to even start?
Well, that's the exact problem we're solving right now. We're going to take that big, tangled mess up, what do I do, and turn it into a straight line. A super clear, totally actionable roadmap that gets you right to your goal.
Okay, first things first, your launch. Forget about just posting and hoping for the best, kind of screaming into the void for months on end. No, this is a strategic 3-day plan, and it's designed to give you momentum right out of the gate. This is the foundation for everything.
So your first 3 posts are super strategic. We've got Day 1, the Who I Am intro. This is your mission. Day 2, the Quick Win. This is where you build trust. And Day 3, the Mythbuster. This is how you get people talking. Let's break down exactly how to do each one.
Okay, Day 1. Your very first video has one job: to plant a flag. You've got to declare your mission, tell people what you're all about, and give them a really compelling reason to join you on this journey from the absolute start. Okay, now look at this, because this is where the magic happens. On the left, you see the plain old template, right? But on the right, you see Alex's story. He's not just saying, I have a goal. He's sharing something real, that feeling of living paycheck to paycheck. That's the stuff that connects. He's inviting people on a journey, and that kind of specific, relatable struggle, that's what makes people smash that follow button.
All right, Day 2 is all about shifting gears from mission to value. You've already told them why they should follow you. Now you've got to show them what they're going to get out of it. This is the Quick Win video, and it's all about delivering instant, useful advice to build that trust from the get-go.
And this is such a perfect example of that. See, instead of just saying something vague like use free tools, it gets super specific. It's like, hey, you think you need to shell out $500 for a graphic designer? Nope, here's a free Canva template that does the job. You're not just giving a tip, you're solving a real problem and saving them actual money. That's pure, instant value.
And now for Day 3. This is where we stir the pot a little bit. This is all about driving engagement by taking a stand, maybe even a controversial one. The Mythbuster video is where you call out a common mistake or a bad piece of advice in your niche. And trust me, this gets a conversation started.
I mean, just look at how powerful this is. The example doesn't just give advice, it creates a common enemy. You know, those online survey apps that pay you pennies. By calling that out and saying, hey, there's a better way, like learning a real skill, you immediately create a debate. And that call to action, comment skill, that is designed to get your comment section blowing up. And look, you absolutely do not need a fancy studio to do any of this. Seriously, just remember 3 super simple things to get started. Lighting, just stand in front of a window. Natural light is your best friend. Audio, hold your phone about arm's length away. Bad audio is a video killer. And energy, speak just like 10% louder and faster than you normally would. It feels weird, but the camera absolutely loves it. All right, so now you've got your first 3 video ideas locked and loaded. The next question is, what do you actually need to make them? And here's the best part. Every single thing you need to start is 100% free.
Believe it or not, you only need 5 essential, and did I mention free tools to run this whole show right from your phone. So let's dive into your official Creator Starter Kit. First up is your editor, and that's going to be CapCut. It's pretty much the industry standard, and for a really good reason. The free version has a teleprompter you can read your scripts from, and it does auto captions with just 1 click, which, by the way, is a total game changer for all the people watching with the sound off.
Next on the list is your designer, Canva. This is how you create a consistent look and feel. You'll pick your colors, your fonts, and use them to make text overlays and thumbnails. It's what makes you look like a polished pro right from day 1.
Okay, for those moments when you hit a creative wall, and trust me, it's going to happen, ChatGPT is your new best friend. Think of it as your brainstorming partner. You can literally ask it for, like, 10 unpopular opinions about my niche, or rewrite this script to sound more exciting. It's an endless well of ideas.
Now, to keep all of these amazing ideas from turning into chaos, you need an organizer, like Notion. This is your content command center. All you need is a simple little board with columns like idea, scripting, filming, and post-it. Seriously, this simple system is the key to staying consistent, and consistency is everything.
And finally, let's talk about the moneymaker,
Beacons.ai. This is the one single link that you're going to put in your bio. It's so cool. It lets you collect emails, sell digital products, all of it, without ever having to build a whole website. It's the tool that directly connects all your hard work to your income goals. Okay, you've got the 3-day plan, you've got the free tools. Now, let's put it all together with the final piece of the puzzle, the blueprint for your very first post.
And you can literally start with a caption hook just like this one. It's awesome because, 1, it's super relevant right now, and 2, it immediately frames your whole account as this structured journey. People know exactly what they're going to get just by following along with you.
Hashtags, I know, they can feel so confusing. So just use this super simple formula. Don't overthink it. Just pick one from each of these 4 categories. A broad one to get seen, a niche one to find your people, an outcome one for people looking for results, and a tool tag to show them how you're doing it.
And here is a huge pro tip for 2026, so listen up. Put your hashtags at the bottom of your caption, not in the first comment. The platforms are all basically search engines now, and having those keywords right in the post itself is absolutely crucial for getting discovered.
So there you have it, the plan, the scripts, the free tools, literally everything you need is right in front of you. So the only real question left is, what's your day 1 going to be about?